Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the ID of any block on your Squarespace website. This is really helpful if you want to add any custom code, any CSS to your Squarespace site in order to really customize it and take it to the next level. So in this video I'll show you how to easily do that using the SEO Spaces site as an example. We made the SEO plugin for Squarespace. Now the first thing that I want you to do is just go to Google and type in Squarespace ID Finder, and then click on this Chrome extension. Now, I will also add a link to this in the description. So if you just want to go straight to it, head to the description and I'll add this there. And what I want you to actually do is install this Squarespace ID Finder, which is actually managed by a good friend of mine, Will Myers, and you want to make sure you add it to Chrome. Once you've added it to Chrome, I want you to just click this little jigsaw in the top right-hand corner. I want you to scroll down and find the Squarespace ID Finder and then press pin, so you actually pin it to the Chrome toolbar. From there, you can head back to the Squarespace webpage that you want to find the block ID on, and then just click the ID Finder from the toolbar. And as you can see here, it will automatically show you the block IDs, and if you hover over them, it'll actually highlight the block that it's referring to, which just makes it so easy in order to actually locate it and then start writing that custom code to the specific areas. Now, all you need to do from there, let's say I want to customize this section, I just click on it, and then from there, as you can see, that block ID is being copied to my clipboard, so I can then paste it directly into the code, or if you're using ChatGPT to write the code, you can feed it through to that in order to begin writing custom code. So there you are, guys. That is how to find the Squarespace ID for any block. A big shout out to Will Myers for actually managing this tool. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to SEO Space's YouTube channel. I'll also add a link in the description to sign up for a 7-day free trial of our plugin if you do want to improve your Squarespace SEO and attract target customers. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video.